Class 12. Let's start the next unit. Our next unit is to be chemical kinetics. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of chemical kinetics. Okay. Chemical that relates with the chemicals we use in the chemistry, and kinetics means speed mechanism. So here I have written there the branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of rate of chemical reaction, and their mechanism is called chemical kinetics. Means how the chemical reaction is taking place, either fast or the slow, and in this process how this procedure is taking place, means how the mechanism of this reaction is to be considered. So the study of all these things, how fast, how slow, and that all these things comes in the category of chemical kinetics. Okay, so first of all we must know that whenever the number of reactant they react together, they always form a product. Okay, so here first of all we have to understand the first word which I have written, the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, what does it represent? So I have written in a very simple and short language, change in concentration per unit time. Hopefully I have taught this term in class 11th also. Okay, so change in concentration per unit time, it means number of reactant they are reacting together, so they will be having some concentration. Okay, but when they will form their product, then concentration naturally will be changed. So let us consider A is the reactant and P is the product. At initial condition, its concentration will be C1 and time is to be considered as T1, and after when the product is formed, the concentration that converts into C2 and time is to be T2. So as I have told, the rate of reaction is to be change in concentration per unit time. So rate is equal to change in concentration divided by change in time. So change in concentration, how it is to be written? C2 minus C1. C2 minus C1 upon T2 minus T1, means final minus initial we are doing. So we will get there delta C upon delta T. As we know that delta C is the concentration. Concentration means the molarity. So concentration unit is to be denoted by mole per liter, and the unit of time is to be denoted by second. So the unit of rate, that becomes mole per liter second inverse. Or in terms of gaseous condition, then the concentration is to be denoted by atm pressure. Okay, so that unit it becomes atm second inverse. Okay,